Students, our today's topic is myself. Myself means about me, about myself. Okay? Understand? Okay. Today we are going to learn about myself. I will tell you about myself. My name is Ruby. Okay? My name is Ruby and my favorite color is red. Okay, students. Now it's your turn. Students, what is your name? Who will tell me what is your name? Okay. What is your name? Can you tell me? What is your name? Sarah. And what is your name? Sabah. Okay, good. Okay, students, open your workbook page number 3 and here we have some questions. What is your name? Okay, see here. I have a question number 1 and what is your name? Fill this with the help of your parents and write here your name, okay? Like Sarah, Sana, anything you have, okay? You will write here. Now I have a question number 2. What is your favorite color name? Okay? Write here what is your favorite color name with the help of your parents, okay? Now I have a homework activity. Open your page, book page number 2. We have some balloons. Here we have 3 balloons. 1, 2, 3. If you are 3 years old, you will tick here. And we have here 4 balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are 4-year-old, you will tick here. And if you are 5 years old, you will tick here. I hope you like your today's lesson. See you tomorrow with your new lesson. Stay home, stay safe.